At Schulich School of Engineering, we really value our students and we really value the student experience. The components of Schulich Studio are a wide variety of learning activities. So the students, when they come onto campus, into classrooms, they get some sessions that are instructor-led with a little bit of student communication.
My experience with Schulich Studio was a positive experience because I got to go in depth learning about concepts that we learned in class and apply them into a more realistic sense. My biggest takeaway was probably learning to work with others and get through conflicts and work together to create good quality projects. Also to do research as a team rather than on your own, just with Google really exploring all of those different resources.
Throughout the entire Schulich Studio is a really deep and profound theme of connection.
My experience with Schulich Studio is really positive. I really enjoyed going into class and being able to work on exercises with my peers instead of having to just sit and listen to a teacher talk the whole time. And I found it really helped me retain the concepts. Getting to work with peers in a subject that I really struggled with at first, and then seeing my progress throughout, and then succeeding in the class with a very high grade on the final really was attained because of Schulich Studio. The Schulich Studio has prepared me for a future career in engineering by letting me work as a group with teammates, something that is really common in industry and will definitely be something I use throughout my life working as an engineer.
So something to be prepared for would be making sure that you are watching those recorded lectures ahead of time, so you get a basic idea of the concepts. So that when you do come to class, you get to experience a hands-on activity which applies those concepts, but you also get to interact with your instructors, ask your questions based on the videos that you've seen. It can be a little bit disorienting because in high school, you only do your classes and then maybe you do a group project, but here you learn a basic kind of understanding and then you really get to explore those further as you learn with hands-on activities and through help with the prof. My favorite aspects of Schulich Studio that students might not be aware of is that you get to work with real engineering tools like voltage meters, which was a very cool experience to actually work hands-on with those tools that are used.
I want students to know and remember the work is worth it.